How are you feeling?
Well, don't know really, but I've been hurt in the past, so this is a big step for me. Just play it cool, don't go rushing in. Reel them in. I just think it's fair of me to say right from the start, I'm not after anything heavy. I mean, I know people say you're a bit of a dragon, but I don't believe it. So, with that in mind, will you marry me? I'll take that as a no. Big no.
My father wants me to marry a prince, but I just don't like them. I want somebody normal, rugged, down to earth.
Hi, I'm Aladdin. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Jasmine.
Jasmine. Lovely to meet you. You look very nice.
Oh, thank you.
Now, it said on your profile that you like men with beards.
Oh, I do.
That's good, because I'm on the run, you see, so I couldn't shave.
Oh, well, we'll make it work.
So, what do you do?
I'm currently not employed.
Right. Do you do this often?
Excuse me.
What? Sorry. Oh.
Hello? No. It's my father.
Oh.
The Emperor. Sorry, I'm going to have to go. Goodbye.
Bye.
Father!
Bill, please. Yeah, she's really, really lovely girl. Exactly what I'm looking for. She's beautiful. She's a princess. But you'd have to ask her if she wanted to see me again. I am definitely up for it. So what do you think? She's not here, so it's not a great sign.
Well, ever since my wife ran off with Captain Hook about 5 years ago, and I've been looking for love ever since. Good afternoon.
Hi.
I take it you're my,
Yep.
was it 96? No, of course, I remember Nottingham, 2006 it was. Yes, I was giving my flesh creep at the time, along with Biggins, and we also had Basil Brush in the cast. Boom, boom! Yeah.
His hat was bigger in this profile picture.
No likey, no lighty.